In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight duplicate values in Google Sheets. Whether you're managing data for a project or simply organizing your personal information, this skill can be incredibly useful. So, let's get started and make sure those duplicates stand out effortlessly. First, make sure you have your Google Sheets document open and ready to go. If you haven't done so already, navigate to Google Sheets and open the document that you're working with. Once you're there, it's time to highlight those duplicate values. Next, go up to the menu bar and click on the Format option. This is where we'll find the tools we need to draw attention to any repetitive data. With the Format menu open, you'll want to select Conditional Formatting. This feature is perfect for applying specific rules to the data in your spreadsheet based on criteria you choose, which, in this case, is identifying duplicates. Now, within the Conditional Format Rules pane that appears on the side of your screen, you'll see an option labeled Apply to Range. This is where you'll specify where exactly you want to find duplicate entries. Go ahead and click in this field, and either select your desired range directly from your spreadsheet or manually enter it. Keep in mind that choosing a precise range is crucial, so that the conditional formatting only applies to the relevant dataset. After defining your range, look for the section titled Format Rules. From here, instead of selecting one of the default options, choose Custom Formula Is. This allows us to input a specific formula that will identify duplicate values within the range you've set. At this point, you'll need to enter the custom formula. The formula you'll use is essential in pinpointing duplicate values. Generally, you'll be working with a formula like County EF AA A1, 1, where AA is your column range, and A1 is the starting point. What this formula does is count the number of times a value appears in the specified range, and highlight entries where the count is greater than 1. Once your formula is entered, you can customize the appearance of the highlighted duplicates. You'll see options to change the formatting style, including modifying the fill color. Feel free to choose a color that stands out to you, making it easy to visualize duplicates at a glance. Lastly, click Done to apply the rule. The duplicates within your chosen range will now be highlighted according to your specified formula and color. This method of highlighting duplicates not only helps in maintaining data integrity, but also enhances the overall readability and organization of your spreadsheet. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to highlight duplicate values in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your data more effectively.